First, lay both posts down on the floor carefully according to the marked installation layout. Next, connect the equalizer rope between both posts, ensuring proper alignment and smooth movement. Now route the hydraulic oil pipe from one post to the second post, making sure there are no twists or sharp bends. Fix the top plate on the top of both posts and tighten all bolts securely. Using a leveler, check the water level to ensure both posts are perfectly vertical. Install the sensor rod on the top plate, ensuring correct positioning and firm fixing. Next, attach the cutout sensor with the sensor pipe, ensuring proper safety cutoff alignment. Lift the carriage upward, then securely fix the rope with the carriage. Now remove the lock from the arm rod to allow arm installation. Install each arm strictly as per the designated numbering sequence and repeat the same process for all 4 arms. Fix the arms to the carriage, ensuring proper locking and free movement. Attach the arm stand to the arm for additional support and stability. This lift features 3-step adjustable arms. Now install the adjustable rubber pads, suitable for different vehicle heights. Attach extensions with the rubber pads, ensuring proper locking and height adjustment for different vehicle types. Hang the MS power pack on the column, tightening all mounting bolts properly. Connect the sensor pipe to the power pack, ensuring a secure connection. Connect the hydraulic pipe from the lift to the power pack, preparing the system for operation. Press the green button to lift the arms. Then press the handle to lower the arms smoothly.